My name is John Belford-Lelaulu. Come see why I'm fresh out of the box. I describe what I do as social design. It's commonly known as humanitarian design. But social design is essentially a holistic and systemic response to global humanitarian challenges. But then I guess it was over here in this classroom here at C3 where a lot of my graphics classes had started off, and I realized that at year 9 or as a 13-year-old that I really enjoyed graphics. And it was also in year 9 too where I told my teacher that I wanted to become the greatest architect in the world. And ever since then I've been working with different teachers and different students and different agencies to make that dream become a reality. But when I came to the understanding that architecture was more than just a physical building, was my understanding of Pacific architecture. When I started doing my own explorations, that Pacific architecture was a lot more than just a few poles or a roof, but was more the social construct of our communities. So looking at these different relationships or va, or basically Pacific architecture is what encapsulates this relationship between you and I, or between a number of people in the community. And that's what I look at interpreting within social design and humanitarian architecture now. Back here at Salle to help students who are also wanting to get into architecture, but getting into creative industries and design industries as a whole. I feel like it's important for us to create these opportunities for more Pacifica students, high school students and tertiary students, to provide more opportunities for them to express themselves more openly and freely. In my own journey, I've found that humanitarian architecture and social design is very natural towards how I've been brought up. This is why we've started this whole Mau studio and the Mau academies and the Mau workshops. The future for me is really establishing Mau Studio as a sustainable business, but then also how do we establish this support system within New Zealand's education system, working with high school students, tertiary students, and also professionals, and then getting to a point where we can take that across the world.